6403 9th Ave Northeast, dates February 17th, 2021. Making this recording from the clean out here in the basement down kind of by the laundry machines. What we're looking at there is the Seattle City main. We're going to pull back from that main, get a look at this side sewer line. Coming back now into 6-inch diameter clay piping down underneath the street. A little bit of roots down at the very end there. We got a shower running, so we'll do our best with a visual here. Still in 6-inch diameter clay, coming back into PVC at this point. My guess, 8 feet back, we're pretty close to the curb line right now. And if we can see, we'd be in PVC. So there's PVC. On the left side of the pipe, we've got a tie-in. I'm guessing that's the neighboring home to the north. Shower ended, what wonderful timing. A little bit of a lip there. You can see one of those sections of PVC has started to sag a little bit off of the one before it. Not the end of the world as it's sagging down. The fitting before it didn't look to be in any bad shape. So got a tie-in at the top of the pipe there. That could be for a clean out potentially down out there. Somewhere near the sidewalk. Coming back through this PVC section, there's a turn in the PVC. This is out in the front yard. I located that already. Coming back now into 6-inch diameter clay. This is clay. Or did we go back into 4-inch? I think we're actually in 4-inch diameter. Some minor root intrusion out there. There's some more roots as we get back closer here. And we're back into concrete too. We transitioned back into that concrete.
What's the distance there?
68 feet back from the main, and the main was 100 feet, so we're about 30 feet out right now, somewhere in there. Got a tie-in on the upper right side of the pipe there. Waste accumulating through this section. We go into a flattish area of pipe there as we come back around this last turn. And back into cast iron. We got waste accumulating right there immediately outside the cast iron. As the pipe looks like it's separating right there, you got a little bit of a crack action.
That's probably right where we had trouble with it getting clogged.
I wouldn't be surprised. Alright, we're going to do a little locating now that the water has subsided. And here's the look at the clean out and the video there.